If you're over 60 and feeling tired more often, noticing weaker muscles, slower recovery, or forgetful moments, you're not alone. What if I told you that one of the most powerful anti-aging tools doesn't come from a pill, a supplement, or even the gym, but from your breath? Yes, your breathing. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple 3-minute morning habit that helps you sharpen your memory, rebuild strength, and slow down aging just by breathing differently. Hello and welcome. If you've been looking for health tips after 60, natural ways to reduce stress, or simple habits to feel young again, this is for you. We all face stress, from health worries, money, or family responsibilities. But did you know stress itself is one of the biggest reasons we age faster than we should? Wrinkles, fatigue, weak muscles, and even brain fog are not just from getting older. They're often the result of long-term stress damage. So if you want to reverse some of that damage, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple breathing routine, just 3 minutes each morning, that can lower your stress hormone, calm your mind, and give your body a younger response to life.
Let's take a quick look at what's really going on inside your body. There's one main culprit here, a hormone called cortisol. Think of cortisol as your body's alarm bell. When something stressful happens, like rushing in traffic, worrying about bills, or hearing bad news, your brain tells your adrenal glands to release cortisol. That's actually helpful in the short term. It gives you energy to deal with emergencies, like when our ancestors had to run from danger. But here's the problem. Today, our danger never ends. Even when you're just thinking about tomorrow's tasks, your body stays in fight or flight mode. That constant release of cortisol wears you down. Your heart beats faster, your breathing becomes shallow, your muscles stay tense, and your body never gets to fully relax. Over time, this creates what doctors call chronic stress. And chronic stress does 3 major things that make us age faster. It breaks down muscle. Cortisol is what scientists call catabolic, meaning it tears down tissue, including the lean muscle you need for strength and balance. That's one reason why legs feel weaker and it's harder to climb stairs after 60. It affects your brain. High cortisol levels damage the part of your brain responsible for short-term memory and focus. That's why you may feel foggy or forget what you came into the room for. It breaks down collagen. Yes, the same collagen that keeps your skin firm and smooth. Too much cortisol over time makes wrinkles deeper and skin thinner. So the key to slowing down aging isn't just more supplements or skincare. It's learning to turn off this stress alarm and give your body the message you're safe, you can relax. And that's where our 3-minute Zen habit comes in.
This technique is called coherent breathing, but we like to call it the 3-minute Zen habit. It's an ancient practice that's now proven by modern science to calm your nervous system and reduce cortisol levels quickly. You don't need special equipment or meditation experience. You just need your breath and 3 peaceful minutes. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Sit comfortably in a chair with your back straight but relaxed. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. You'll want to feel your belly move as you breathe, not your chest. If your belly isn't moving, that means your breathing is too shallow. Step 2. Close your eyes if you'd like, and start using the 4-2-6 breathing rhythm. That means inhale through your nose for a count of 4, hold for a gentle count of 2, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Now, here's why that's important. That long, slow exhale sends a message to your nervous system through something called the vagus nerve. This nerve connects your brain to almost every organ in your body, your heart, your lungs, your stomach, and it controls the rest and digest mode. When you breathe out slowly, your vagus nerve tells your body, it's okay, you're safe, you can relax. As you continue this for about 10 slow cycles, roughly 2.5 to 3 minutes, your heartbeat slows, your blood pressure eases, your muscles relax, and your brain shifts out of the stress response. You'll start to feel calmer, clearer, and even a little lighter. Many people describe a gentle wave of peace that moves through their body. That's your parasympathetic system, your healing mode, turning back on.
You've just given your body a powerful reset. Now, we'll add one final mental step to strengthen this calm feeling and build a positive loop in your brain. Keep your hands where they are, one on your heart, one on your belly. Take one more slow breath. And now, gently say this phrase out loud. I am stronger today. This might sound simple, but it's actually using a science called neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP. When your body is relaxed and you speak positive words, your brain connects those two experiences. You're teaching your nervous system that calm and confidence belong together. Over time, if you repeat this habit every morning, you're not just lowering stress. You're training your brain to respond differently to challenges. You'll notice you handle problems more calmly, sleep better, and wake up with more energy. Here is what many seniors have reported after just a few weeks. Sharper focus and memory recall, more steady energy throughout the day, improved mood and patience, fewer aches and muscle tension, and even smoother digestion and better sleep quality. You're literally helping your body reverse the long-term effects of stress naturally, safely, and gently.
Now imagine starting each morning this way. Before coffee, before checking your phone, before the day's noise. Just 3 quiet minutes of mindful breathing. This is your time to reset your body, calm your mind, and prepare for the day ahead. You don't have to be perfect. Even if you do this 3 or 4 times a week, your body will start to adapt and thank you. Remember, the goal isn't to breathe more, it's to breathe better. A few minutes of deep, slow breathing can undo hours of built-up tension. Your next breath can truly change your future. That's the beauty of this. You don't need money. You don't need special skills. You just need to begin. So here's your challenge. Tomorrow morning, before you start your day, sit quietly, place your hands on your heart and belly, and do the 3-minute Zen habit. Then whisper to yourself, I am stronger today. Do this for 1 week, just 7 days, and notice how your body and mind begin to change. You might feel calmer in situations that used to stress you. You may sleep deeper. And most importantly, you'll feel more alive, balanced, and youthful. If you're ready to start this tomorrow morning, write the word calm in the comments below. That's your commitment to yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more natural, science-backed ways to stay young, strong, and independent after 60. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tip for health and longevity. Thank you for joining me today. Take one last deep breath with me. Inhale peace, exhale tension, and remember, you have the power to age well, one calm breath at a time. Have a wonderful, calm, and strong day.